My days start the same way. I take my corgi, Ruby Tuesday, for a walk, and then I head into work. I get here quite early, around about 8 o'clock or 8:30, and we start with breakfast. Breakfast is a sacred part of our team's day, and we sit there, we have a chat around what's happened the night before, but also planning out our day ahead. After breakfast, it's usually a case of catching up on all of my emails. From there, I might get a phone call that a sample has arrived at the dock, and I'll run down to collect that and take that up to the team.
Here at New South Wales Regional Biospecimen Services, we collect samples from all over the country and sometimes internationally. We process and store these here so that we can distribute them to local researchers or to big international teams who are working to improve the lives of people with cancer, multiple sclerosis, diabetes, and lots of other diseases.
And on Tuesdays, we have our lunch and learn. So I grab my lunch and I head into the lecture theatre to catch up on some of the latest research from our Medical Research Institute. And then in the afternoon, it might be time to withdraw some samples for researchers who are looking to do some work on them, or put some samples away that we've recently processed. Some of those live in our freezers, and our freezers are kept at -80, or they might be stored in liquid nitrogen so that they can be kept for longer at much, much cooler temperatures.
Sometimes when the phone rings, we have an opportunity to do something really special. A small but incredibly inspiring group of people with brain cancer leave us an invaluable gift when they choose to donate their brain to the Mark Hughes Foundation Biobank when they pass away.
When the call comes through, I get to know the patient, I get to know the family, share some preliminary details with them, and then if they want to move ahead, I can then meet up with them and we sign the paperwork for them to be able to donate when they pass away. My days certainly aren't 9 to 5. Sometimes I can start before the sun's up, and sometimes I'm on the computer well after midnight, and that's because I'm really lucky to work with national and international cooperatives of biobankers, and we get together on Zoom calls to plan meetings or conferences, and also to share best practice. And then when the time comes, we're done for the day and it's home to spend time with Ruby Tuesday.